Welcome students on online class Lal Bahadur Shastri College, Partur, District Jalna for the subject Physics. Today we have learned about logarithmic and mathematical table. For class 11th, 12th and higher class above the 12th standard. In previous video we can learn logarithmic and anti-logarithm. So today we learn natural sine, natural cosine and natural tangent. Before seeing the natural sine, natural cosine and natural tangent, so first we understand columns. Degree means in first column degree is there. We find 0 degree, 1 degree, 2 degree, 3 degree up to 44 degree here, and next 45 degree, 46 degree up to 89. Means here we can find out the natural sines or natural cosines and natural tangent up to 89 degree in this book. So here in row, that is upper part, 0 dash 6 dash means it is minute. So 0 minutes, 6 minute, 12 minute, 18 minutes, 24 minutes, 30 minutes, 36 minutes, 42 minutes, 48 minutes and 54 minutes. See here 0 minute, 6 minute, 12 minute, 18 minute, 24 minute, 30 minute, 36 minute, 42 minutes, 48 minute, 54 minutes, and mean difference will be 1 minute, 2 minute, 3 minute, 4 minute, 5 minute. 1 minute, 2 minute, 3 minute, 4 minute, 5 minute. So here if we can add 1 minute here, then 55 minutes, 2 minutes are add, then 56 minutes, 3 minutes are add, then 57 minutes, 4 minutes are add, then 58 minutes, 5 minutes are add, then 59 minutes. Means 60 minutes become 1 degree. See here, if 60 minutes are there, then it becomes 1 degree. So first we understand 0 degree to 89 degree. Okay, so here we have trigonometric ratio spatial angles such that here the angles sin theta, cos theta, tan theta, and here the angle will be 0 degree, 30 degree, 45 degree, 60 degree, 90 degree. If we see the table carefully, then sin 0 degree, its value will be 0. Sin 30 degree, its value will be 1 by 2, means 0.5. Sin 45 degree, its value will be 1 upon square root of 2. Square root of 2 is 1.414, so 1 upon square root of 2 is 0.7071. Sin 60 degree, square root 3 upon 2. Square root 3 is 1.732. Square root 3 upon 2 is 0.866. So here sin 60 will be 0.866 and sin 90 it is 1. Similarly cosine 0 angle becomes 1. cosine 30 angle becomes square root of 3 means 0.866 means here the value will be increased from 0 to 1 and cosine value will be decreased from 1 then 0.866 after cos 45 degree, so it is 1 upon square root of 2. Square root of 2 means 1 upon 1.414 and 1 upon square root of 2 it is 0.7071 and lastly cos 60 degree is 1 by 2 means 0.5 and cos 90 degree is 0 means sine and cosine we can understand 0 to 1 and 1 to 0. The angles between the value of angles are 0 to 1 and 1 to 0, whereas in tan 0 degree is 0 similar to sine, but here tan 45 degree is 1. Tan 45 degree is 1 means tan 0 to 45 degree the value will be 0 to 1 means tan 30 degree its value will be 1 upon square root of 3 and 1 upon square root of 3 it becomes 0.5774. So here 0.5774 1 tan 45 is 1, whereas tan 60 degree it is square root of 3 having value 1.732 means greater than 1 and lastly tan 90 degree is infinity. Okay, so we can use the logarithm to find the angles. See here, if angle is example, if we can find sine 54 degree 32 minutes, if angle is there then we can find out its value. See here, sine 54 degree, okay, 32 minutes 0 6 12 18 24 30 36 means 30 and 36 between 2 32 is there. So first we come here at 30 means 0.8141. So here and 2 is mean difference, so if 2 is added to 42 mean difference 2 minute is having value 3 is added to 8141, so it becomes 0.8144. Similarly we can find out another angle. If another angle will be sine of 32 degree 29 minute, what happened? So we see that sine 32 degree is here, sine 32 degree is here, okay, and 29 minute here we can have 30, we can have 24, so 24 sine 32 degree it will be 0.5358. If we can add 5 minute having value 12, so it is 70, so its value will be 0.5370. So we can find out natural sines. Another example, if sine of 72 degree 21 minute is given, so we can find out sine 72 degree here, 72 degree and 18 minutes here, so it is 0.9527 and 9527 and 3 minutes in mean difference in 3 minutes, so here 3 is there. 3 can be added. So your answer will be 0.9530. So similarly, we can find out the natural sines. But if angle is given or if value is given and question will be asked, find angle. Means if question is there, sine inverse 0.3549, the value is given. What will be its angle? We can take 0.35. So here if we take 0.35, 35 means 21 and 20. 20 here 3502, 3518. So we can find 3549. So 3535 and 3551. So here if 3535 is there, if we add 14 is add, then it is 3549. So angle, we should find out angle. First degree will be 20 degree. Its degree will be 20 degree. Then minute will be here 42 minutes and 5 minutes. 42 and 5, it is 47. So your angle will be 20 degree 47 minutes. Another example, if you given angle sine inverse 0.6215. First of all, we can find out 0.62. Here in front page 0.62 is there, 0.6211, 0.6225, but the question will be 0.6215. So here if we take 38 degree and 0.6211 in the column 18 minutes. Okay, 38 degree 18 minutes. If we can add the value 4, so here value 4 is not there but value 5 is there. If we can add 5, it becomes 0.6216, but we want to find 0.6215. So if these 5 means mean difference 2 minute can add, so it is 38 degree 20 minute. 38 degree 20 minute means we want today we can give an assignment. Number 1, find value sine 43 degree 39 minute. Number 2, sine 49 degree 29 minute. Number 3, sine 59 degree 19 minute. Number 4, sine 79 degree 28 minute. And number 5, sine 83 degree 82 minute. See here, we can take it as 83 degree 82 minute, but the 82 minutes are not available in logarithmic table. So in logarithmic table we can find out only 59 means 60 degree 60 minute. So here first of all we can subtract 60. When subtract 22 becomes 22 minutes are there, but here this 60 means 1 degree and add means we can find out sine 84 degree 22 minute. In bracket we can sine 84 degree 22 minute, which is same as sine 83 degree 82 minutes. Okay, and another assignment will be 6. Find angle. Sine of 0.1328 question mark. Sine inverse 0.5324 8. Sine inverse 0.3629 9th. Sine inverse 0.3948 and lastly sine 0.5249. 5 questions for finding the value of degree and minute for sine, and 5 questions will be find the angle.